In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an advanced funnel report in Hubspot. This tool is incredibly useful for gaining insights into your sales or marketing processes and understanding where improvements are necessary. So let's dive right in and explore how to utilize this feature to boost your business's efficiency. First, make sure you log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, head over to the reports section on the dashboard. From there, navigate to Analytics Tools. This area is your go-to spot for analyzing all kinds of data within HubSpot. Within Analytics Tools, you'll find the option for Funnel Reports. Click on that to get started. Now that you're in the Funnel Reports section, look for the option that says New Advanced Funnel Report. This feature is relatively recent and offers enhanced capabilities compared to the basic funnel reports. By using this, you'll be able to drill down into your data with greater detail and precision, allowing you to make informed decisions that can positively impact your sales or marketing outcomes. Next, it's time to define the stages of your funnel. This step is crucial because it will shape the entire report. You'll need to decide on the funnel stages that are relevant to your specific sales or marketing process. Think about the major steps your customers go through from initial contact to conversion. Common stages might include initial contact, lead qualification, proposal sent, negotiation, and close won or lost. Tailor these stages to your unique business process to ensure you're accurately capturing the flow and nuances of your operations. With your funnel stages defined, it's now time to apply filters. These filters can help you focus on the data that matters the most to your analysis. You can filter by various criteria, such as date range, which is especially helpful if you're looking to analyze data from a specific campaign period. Consider filtering by deal size if you want to see how different sales tiers perform through your funnel. You might also look at sources to find out where your most successful leads are coming from. Utilizing these filters effectively can provide a clearer picture of your funnel's performance and highlight areas for optimization. Once your report is set up, it's important to review the visual funnel data. This visual representation offers an at-a-glance understanding of how leads move through your funnel. Pay particular attention to drop-off points, as these are spots where potential customers are leaving the process without converting. Identifying these areas is crucial because they indicate stages where improvements are needed. By focusing on these drop-off points, you can optimize your conversion paths, making the entire